back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be non-phone. If you have great customer service skills, but you don't want to be on the phone talking to angry customers, this might be a great fit for you. You'll be listening in to phone calls that have been previously recorded and grading the customer service that the person got and how well the customer service rep did. So you're just listening to the phone calls. You are not actually talking or taking phone calls. We are going to dive all in. Just know the links to all the pages I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead comes from the company GDIT, otherwise known as General Dynamics. Now, I have personally worked with this company before, not for them, but with them. General Dynamics is a technology company that holds many government contracts, and in the state of North Carolina, they hold the Medicaid contract. So when you're in healthcare and you're doing healthcare billing, specifically for Medicaid patients, you get to work with GDIT. But I do have their Glassdoor page up just in case you want to go read any of the reviews. It'll be linked in the description box. They do have 4,200 reviews on Glassdoor, and they have a rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. But they are hiring a contact center quality assurance analyst. This is an entry-level position. It is remote for the United States only. But they are basically looking for somebody to assess the contact center agent interactions with customers through multiple channels: voice, standard messaging, and email. You'll evaluate those interactions between that customer service rep and the customer using their quality evaluation solution for the program, providing context for ratings. So basically, they're going to give you a scoring sheet or grading rubric to go by. You'll provide unbiased and accurate scoring according to the criteria and the definitions that they give you. You'll seek guidance when you're uncertain in the scoring, and you'll communicate that scoring feedback to agents in written format, so no talking to the agents as well, providing agents a path to locate appropriate reference material for additional training and guidance. So it's all about listening to those phone calls or reading those emails and grading the customer service rep on how well they did in their interactions. This is an entry-level position. They are not requiring any kind of college degree. They do want somebody who has a high school diploma or GED and a minimum of 6 months of contact center agent experience. So 6 months of customer service experience. They prefer somebody who has 1 year contact center quality monitoring experience, but that's preferred and not required. You do have to be self-disciplined. You have to have the ability and willingness to learn new software applications. And of course, you have to have those great listening and analytical skills. Now, it does say the program only accepts U.S. citizens or green card holders. At this time, they do not accept any other countries other than the United States. And if you scroll all the way down, it says salary and benefit information. Pay for this position is, of course, going to be dependent on location and experience, but goes anywhere from $16 an hour all the way up to $24 an hour. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those and keep that in mind. If you found this job lead or any job leads that I share helpful, please share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.